Talkie like fight down, fight down. Baby, hard to understand, become a talkie like I chew your little up, I boot a nigga up.
Alright, y'all, so you know what I'm saying. I just woke up, and I decided to do a monkey app because I see everybody be doing it on YouTube, so I decided to do one myself. So I'm gonna be asking females, am I ugly? And if they say no, I'm like, would you date me and some shit like that? You know what I'm saying? Ooh, ooh, you know what I'm saying? Ooh, ooh, yeah, okay. Alright, let me turn on my screen recording. Alright, screen recording. But if you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button and make sure to hit the like button. I just woke up, so I'm a little tired. But alright, but don't take no L's, you know what I'm saying? Cause I don't like taking L's. I should put the camera somewhere. Hello?
Hey, what's up?
Wait, what the fuck? I can ask y'all a question for my YouTube channel real quick. I'm doing a YouTube video. Alright, at time. Hello? Hey, at time real quick.
Why do you have a green screen behind you?
I'm doing a video.
Oh, whoa, no.
Wait, I can ask you a question real quick.
Can you read your video?
That's what's going on right now. I'm recording. Alright, let me ask y'all a question.
Your YouTube channel.
I'm gonna tell you that after the question. I can ask you a question?
Okay.
Alright, y'all gotta be honest. I don't know y'all. So, y'all think I'm ugly?
No.
What you gotta lie for? Y'all lying to me?
No, you're actually pretty hot. I have a boyfriend,
But,
she's sick.
so you think if I asked you for your number, you would've gave it to me?
Wait, what?
You think if I asked you for your number, you would've gave it to me?
I have a boyfriend, so I didn't mean
How about you in the back?
If he asks you for your number, would you give it to him? Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? I'm not taking L's. I'm not finna take L's. So, alright. Next to the second one. So, the first one, I did not take a L. Can't be taking L's. So, these motherfuckers keep skipping me like a nigga ugly or something. But, yeah. Video.
Yes.
Alright. You think I'm ugly?
You okay?
What you got your mouth open for?
Because you had the camera, I was not ready.
Oh. But, he said no. You think I can get your number if I ask?
Yes, friends.
As friends, so not as talking wise, like about to be something. Oh, I'm a little too ugly for that.
You're not ugly, but...
Alright, thank you. Fuck her, she don't know what the fuck she was talking about. Alright, I think we took 2 W's, but she kind of put me in the friend zone, so fuck her. The fuck she talking about? Bitch, I know I ain't ugly. Fuck you. Alright, let's see. Let's try to get a W. What the fuck is this? Hello?
Hi.
It's a girl, right? I can't see your face.
Nah.
You a boy?
Nah.
She don't know what the fuck she talking about. She probably ugly. She didn't want me to see her face. You know what I'm talking about? Me. Hello? Hello? Stick that pistol up your ass. Ugly ass little girl. Come on. Dun, 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 dun. Hello? Hey, Add time real quick. I'm making a YouTube video.
Green screen.
I'm making a
Are
YouTube
you
video.
making a video?
Yeah, add time.
Okay.
Alright, how old are y'all?
15 and 14.
Y'all lying?
No.
Alright, the question is, y'all think I'm ugly? You don't have to.
No.
Oh, for real?
No, what's your YouTube channel?
No, I'm not finished asking the question. Can I ask the question?
Okay, you ask the question.
I'm not done. I'm
You're
not done.
ugly.
I'm not done. So, since you think I'm not ugly, if I asked you for your number, would you give it to me?
No. No. Because you look older. What's your YouTube channel?
I'm not older. We the same age, but it's Cap the Gamer.
Yeah, that's... Add time. Shut up. Add time. Wait, what did you say it was?
Cap the Gamer.
Kev?
The Gamer. You know how to spell Kev?
Spell?
Kevthamer.
You know how to spell love.
Alright, that's it. No space.
Wait. You play Roblox?
Hell no.
That's not you then.
No space. I said no space. No space.
Oh, no space. Okay, hold up.
Alright, bye.
No. Wait, don't leave yet. Oh, we have more subscribers than you. That's what your ass get.
Which one are you looking at?
Alright, peace. I found you. Peace.
Did she just size me? Y'all got my subscribers and me not. Alright, for now. Y'all got more subscribers than me for now. Cunts. Hey, but I'm not a rape man. I'm not a rape man. We the same age. I'm not that old. So don't be like, so don't hit me with that jit or rape man. I'm not a rape man. Fuck you. I ain't no rape man. Alright, let's go to the fourth or fifth one. I don't know. I lost count, but yeah, let's go to the other one. Let's see if they think I'm ugly or not. Who fuck is it? Hello?
Hi.
Can I add time real quick? I'm making a video. I'm making a YouTube video. I want to see y'all faces. Alright, I'm making a YouTube video. I just want y'all honest opinion. Do y'all think I'm ugly?
No.
Alright.
No.
And if I would have asked y'all for y'all number, would y'all gave it to me?
If we what?
If I would have asked for y'all number, would y'all gave it to me?
No. Only because I don't know you. Yep.
Yeah, but you would have get to know me if... That's why I would have asked you for your number.
That's what Snapchat's for.
Okay, Mrs. Smart Ass. She's such a smart ass. Like, nobody cares. I didn't ask you for your goddamn Snapchat. Cunt. We got another cunt. Alright, I didn't even record that one. Fuck. So, I did this one and I didn't even record none of it. Alright. We got another one. Da, 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 da. Hello?
Hello?
Hey, I'm making a YouTube video right now. I want y'all honest opinion. What's the other girl?
What, YouTube?
Yeah, how old are y'all? What the fuck? How old are y'all? Oh, fuck, I ain't had time. I didn't know how to add time. I was just clicking on the time, but it didn't want to work, so. Oh, well. I'm holding this because it's my mic. Don't judge me. I don't like using the camera mic because it be sounding trash and I don't like it. Hello?
Hi.
I'm making a YouTube video real quick. Can y'all have time?
Yeah.
Alright, I just want to know your honest opinion. Y'all think I'm ugly?
No. I'm not ugly.
Oh, alright. Hello?
Hello.
I'm making a YouTube video. Y'all trying to be in it?
Oh. Hi. Are we on YouTube?
Yes, y'all on YouTube. This bitch did not add time. Get comfortable. Come on, Jasmine, please. Don't skip me, please. Here we go. Hey, I can ask y'all a question real quick for YouTube. I'm making a YouTube video.
Hi.
Hey, add time though.
Can you get up?
Alright, the question is, y'all think I'm ugly? Y'all think I'm ugly? Be honest, I don't know y'all.
Do we think you're ugly?
Correct.
No.
Y'all lying to me?
No.
If I would've... It sounds so fucking lame, like... No. I don't think you're ugly. You think we're ugly? Like, ain't nobody trying to know, just stop, put it up. I know I'm not the only person that just woke up. I know we got different time zones. Alright, so that'll be it for the video, because these hoes tripping. I know they can't put some tone in their voice, but... Alright then, I already got my answer. So, by the day get size, they said they wouldn't give me their number because they don't know me. But I could have just had the Snapchat and just text them from there and got their number right there, you know what I'm saying? Ooh, ooh. But if you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. And make sure to hit that like button. But that'll be it.
Fight down. Baby, hard to understand, become a jockey. Like, I chew your little